Hello guys, hello. What should I call you all? With a couple of 10 or 20 viewers. What should I call you all, bros? Should I call you bros? Yeah, whatever. So actually yesterday I recorded a video, but I forgot to plug in the mic. So still that video, so I didn't upload that video. Still I just let it be. Also brought a new mic. Now I should buy some tape and go set it up. Simple. So I'll have almost like two mics in my helmet. That would be crazy, bro. But I'll be using the Sony one for a while now. Let's see. Maybe from tomorrow, yeah. Also I want to do day ride, man. Day ride and talk and ride in the day. I think so the night times are getting too much. No. So yeah, today was an hectic day at the work place, and yeah bro. So actually this is my 2024 resolution, and actually everything is going on smoothly. Oh baby, so cute. Actually they should wear a mask for the baby, bro. Like so much pollutants are in this traffic. Put some scarf or a mask around the baby while traveling. Okay, so yeah, where was I? So one simple tip that can literally so yeah, one single tip that can literally change your life, bro. Change your life for real. That is to just control only the controllables. Did you get it? Yeah, I'll repeat it again, and this time properly. So yeah, one single tip that made a huge change in my life. So we all go to work, we all do the job, we gotta do what we gotta do to earn the bread, but this is where the most people are lacking. The thing you do before you go to work and the things you do after you work will literally decide the next few years, the coming years of your life. So take it very seriously, bro. Don't lose this precious time that we all have in this world. Like, try to learn some new skill, try to create something, try to do something new that you never tried before. Not just on the weekends, it's every day. There's no weekends. People call this hustle, but I think so this is common, bro. This is nothing. This is common. That's how your mindset should be. There are literally lakhs of people or thousands of people out there doing or working harder than you. So you and I, we're gonna make it too. Let's work. Working on ourselves is actually quite more beautiful. So just give it a try. Also I noticed, I know this is a simple thing, but it really impacts the night the day before, the night, which how you spend that time that night, you know. So for example, like tonight, how I spend it, it decides, literally decides what I'm gonna do tomorrow, or how I am gonna feel, or am I gonna do it or not. So like whatever my morning routine is, meditation, gym, diet and all, if I don't sleep at the right time, it is not possible. I'll not have enough energy for that, because I'll not have enough sleep. So the time, the night, have a night routine, you know. The night time is actually very important. Don't just keep on consuming or chatting with someone, wasting your precious time, you know. Just try to spend the time with your family instead of just consuming shitty content. Just inspire, get some ideas, plan everything the day before. That's what, in your night, have a perfect nighttime routine, bro. That's what I'm saying. Having a perfect nighttime routine is way important than your morning routine. That's the truth. I repeat, guys, having a nighttime routine is way more important than your morning routine. So have a good nighttime routine, sleep on time every day, plan for the next day, and just kill it. Hopefully I will not forget to buy a tape. So I'm going to remove my helmet inside, so I'm going to clean it, nicely arrange it. I also have that something called as dead cat, that small spongy thing that protects the mic from the wind sound. So actually it doesn't fit on that Sony mic, but still I'm gonna just tape it around, and hopefully from tomorrow the quality improves, like especially people who are watching on a headphone. I hope they can enjoy this content a bit more. Yeah, I just don't want to waste your time, guys. Literally, I want to just keep it short, valuable, simple tips, tricks, lessons, experiences, whatever I go through, whatever I'm feeling right now, whatever it is, I'm just gonna speak it out loud. I'm going to share it to the world, for myself, for my future, and for the people, you know. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna end it peacefully around the 10-minute mark. Slowly I'm gonna add a few things, right? Just 2 months, in just 2 months I improved some things. I improved my consistency in 1 month. The second month I improved my. Third month maybe I'll improve the thumbnail. The fourth month I'll improve some side mission activities, not just the same road. So it'll be spicy, man. It'll be spicy. Just keep watching, keep following the journey. I just keep on thinking something, cooking. I'll keep on cooking up something in my mind, and let's see how it goes. I don't know if my voice is different today, but I'm just wearing a mask to protect myself from the pollutants. You know, it's not easy. We keep on talking while driving, so all the dust and all the things can enter my throat or nose, and it can affect. So I should take care of that too. What? Yeah, almost reached. So Guess the place. Guess this place in the comments. Let me see. Oh, do you know? Do you know which place is this? Let's see, bro. Comment down below. And until then, see you tomorrow. Keep it simple.